Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a relaxation routine with Bath & Body Works easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your supplies. Select your favorite Bath & Body Works products. Choose a soothing fragrance such as lavender or eucalyptus. Prepare your bathing area by cleaning and decluttering. Dim the lights or use candles for a calming ambience. Fill your bathtub with warm water to your preferred temperature. Add your chosen bath products, such as bubble bath or shower gel. Swirl the water to create bubbles and distribute the fragrance. Prepare a towel or robe for after your bath. Consider adding calming elements, like surface decor or essential oils. Next, create a playlist of soothing music or nature sounds. If you enjoy reading, have a book or magazine nearby. Once your bath is ready, step in slowly and take a deep breath. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension. Spend at least 20 minutes soaking, focusing on your breath. After your bath, dry off gently with your towel. Apply your favorite body lotion or moisturizer. Consider using a scented body spray to maintain the relaxing vibe. Take a moment to reflect on your experience. Make a note of what products you enjoyed most. Plan to incorporate this relaxation routine regularly for added benefits. Embrace the tranquility you've created in your space. Share this relaxing experience with friends or family. Your self-care ritual will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.